Welcome to Gelous nail art tutorials. Today for our Valentine's Day nail art look we are going to be playing with some chrome and a jelly finish. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Or alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of blackout and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. With a lint-free wipe, clean your nail with nail polish remover. Rub silver chrome powder in circular motions onto your nail using the chrome powder application sponge. Dust off excess using the Gelous dust brush. Apply 1 thin coat of Daredevil and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using a lint-free wipe and nail polish remover, clean any chrome powder off your skin. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.